So this is the finished look of this unit. And how are we liking it? So I'm going to get into the specs of this wig. This is from Shein, and this is their Body Wave 13x4 lace frontal human hair wig. Now, the density on this wig is 150% density, and it is 26 inches in a natural black color. I did, before I even recorded this video, I did pre-pluck it off camera to my liking, and I also did bleach the knots, also did wash the hair. So you can kind of see like the curls that it has in it because it is a body wave. I've been hearing from the girlies that if you want to get like really good curls when you curl your hair, get body wave wigs because they seem to be more fuller. I did not style the wig in this video because I am going to be doing so in my next YouTube video that I upload, so look out for that. It's just going to be like a 2-part series, I guess, for this wig. I'm going to be doing like at least 4 to 5 looks, so if you're interested in that, just look out for it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this wig. I'm going to be linking it down below for you guys as well if you would like to purchase it. And yeah, as always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And if you are not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.